Today we have a 2013 model Vauxhall Corsa. It's fitted with the 1.2 petrol engine and it's got roughly 92,000 miles on the clock. As part of the service this Corsa's in for today, I'm going to be changing the air filter, which shouldn't be too difficult, and it's inside this plastic box here. For this job I'm going to be using the Torx 20. You can use a screwdriver, bit, the gun with a bit in it, whatever you've got handy really. An airline blower, which isn't absolutely crucial. You can use a vacuum cleaner, and a 7mm hex to undo any Jubilee clips. Right, so we need to undo these Torx headed screws in the airbox. There's 4 of them there. There might be enough cable there to not have to worry about disconnecting that. I'll leave it in and we'll see how it goes. So you'll need a Torx 20 bit or driver. Careful not to lose those. Yeah, it feels like there's not going to be enough give to get this unhooked, so I'll undo this clip here, loosen that off. Just a standard Jubilee clip. Be able to lift that up. I'll pull it out. I'll leave it there because it's got the cable fixed to it. So you've just got these 3 tabs here which locate in slots here. So they have to kind of go in first and then push it down and do the screws up when it goes back together. But we'll get to that in a moment. So that should just pull out. There we go. The old and the new. Probably find little bits of debris in there, so that's worth changing it. They're not too expensive. You should be able to get one of these aftermarket ones for around £10. While it's out, as you can see, there's little bits of debris in there. It's worth, just get a vacuum cleaner, clean it all out, or get an airline and give it a blow and get all the bits out. Move this new one out of the way. Don't want anything going down there, and mind your eyes. That's it, and then it's ready to pop the new filter in. Sits in there. Shouldn't be anything in there, all right. So those 3 tabs need to locate, then drop the box down. So most Jubilee clips, they'd have a a slot in the top so you can fit a screwdriver, crosshead or a flat screwdriver. These ones don't. They're just a 7mm hex, which I've got one of these because, well, it's quite a handy tool to have to get into difficult places. And that's it. Quite a nice, easy little number.